Commission is high. How you can reduce your commission? With membership, you can get a discount of 1%. You save 400 per trip. You can get membership for free. And the invoice will be generated on the same day. Many people don't know about this part. Giving more than 10 lakh in total. FRIT is getting a lot of comments saying commission is high. In this video, I will explain how you can reduce your commission. If you are taking at least 2 loads a month from FRIT, then you must take the membership. You can buy the FRIT membership directly on the app. Choose monthly or yearly, whichever suits you. Normally, FRIT shows 4% commission, but with membership, you can get a discount of 1%. Let's say you take a trip for 40,000. If you take 60% advance, the commission will be 1,600 rupees. With membership, it will be just 1,200 rupees. You save 400 per trip. If you take 2 trips, you can save 800 rupees. And the monthly membership cost is only 490. Do you believe if I tell you you can get membership for free? Let me tell you how to do it. In the FRIT Loads app, there is a refer and earn option. Go there, click referral now, share your referral code on WhatsApp. If they use that code and log in the app, both of you will get a free membership. For container truck, we provide 1 month free membership. For open truck, we provide 3 months free membership. Even through branding, you can get free membership. If you sticker your truck as the referred image, you can get 3 months of free membership. If you paint your truck fully like this referred image, you can get 1 year of free membership. Many people think if they take 90% of advance, FRIT will charge a commission of 7% instead of 4. It's not like that. To run your truck, 60% or 75% of advance is enough. You take 90% of advance because you're afraid you will not receive the balance payment. But with FRIT, you don't need that fear at all. There are 2 ways to get your balance after submitting POD. Some orders will show soft POD. If you take a soft POD order, you can upload the POD directly on the app. And the invoice will be generated on the same day. You get quick balance immediately after delivery. So for soft POD loads, always take 60% of advance. You will pay only 4% commission, and with membership, you can get it at 3%. If you take hard POD orders, after delivery, search FRIT POD point on the map. Just hand over the POD over there. Your invoice will be generated the next day. Courier cost, etc. FRIT will take care of everything. Whether it is cancellation charges, loading charges, or unloading charges, FRIT pays correctly. Sometime after the trip gets confirmed, you go to the loading point and they say that the trip got cancelled. In such cases, you might have not received loading charges or unloading charges. In this, FRIT support system is very easy and strong. In such cases, just raise a ticket in the app. Our support team will solve it. They have to solve it. Many people don't know about this part. If you take load through FRIT and something unfortunate, accident, health issues, anything happens, FRIT will support you with up to 1 lakh rupees. Similarly, during the trip, if your vehicle gets damaged and stays in the shed for up to 3 months, FRIT will support you with up to 1 lakh for that also. So far, in 21 cases, FRIT has extended their financial support, giving more than 10 lakh in total. If you have any doubts, let us know in the comment section.